So today we are over here for counseling session on Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR 2024. So let me share my screen so that we can start. Yes, is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So let me start. So these are my slides. So my slides will be discussing about important dates about TIFR, examination dates and timings, and so on. So let's start. So all of you must be knowing what is TIFR. So TIFR is the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and it's one of the India's premier institution for advanced research in in fundamental sciences. The institute runs a graduate program leading to the award of PhD, integrated MSc PhD, as well as MSc degree in certain subjects. With its distinguished faculty, world-class facilities, and stimulating research environment, it is an ideal place for aspiring scientists to initiate their career. So basically, TIFR is classified in the following subjects: biology, chemistry, computer and system science, including communication and machine learning, mathematics, physics, and science education. And it is conducted at the Mumbai campus and various nation centers of TIFR. So have a look. So what are the important dates? So nationwide entrance examination will happen on December 10th, 2023. Online application has been started from October 3rd, and last date for application is November 2nd, 2023. And the downloading of all tickets will start from November 20, 2023. So examination is on Sunday, December 10th, 2023, and the timings for physics subject is from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So now what are the programs? So it has PhD and integrated MSc PhD program in physics, and these are the different departments which offers your PhD and integrated MSc PhD programs. Department of Astronomy and Astrophysics, Department of Condensed Matter Physics and Material Science, Department of High Energy Physics, Department of Nuclear and Atomic Physics, Department of
नहीं
Theoretical
दिखा रहा
Physics, and all these campuses are at Mumbai. And then you have National Center for Radio Astrophysics, Pune. So their website is also shown over here. So if you will click on the website, the page of the campuses will open. And these are some other institutes: Hyderabad one, Bangalore one. So all the links are shown over here for your easy reference. Now, what is the eligibility? So the eligibility for PhD is MSc in physics, and for integrated PhD, the eligibility is ME, MTech, BSc, or BTech, correct? In physics, basically, or engineering physics. If you are having a BSc or MSc in physics or engineering physics, you people are eligible. Or if you are BTech, then also you are eligible. So this page will show you, this link will show you the eligibility criteria. Let me open it. So let me show you this page. Is it visible on your screen? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so you can see that name of PhD or integrated PhD or MSc program. So what are the subjects? So subjects are also shown over here. So have a look. Physics. For PhD, you should be BTech, ME, MTech, or MSc or MS degrees in engineering, physics, chemistry, mathematics, or computer science. And some seats are reserved, or admission will also be uh, given based on GATE, NET, and JEST scores in the relevant subject. So detail of how to apply will be available on the website of NCBCs and ICTC at an appropriate time. So if you have GATE qualified, if you are GATE qualified or NET qualified or JEST qualified. So some seats are also given based on these exams. Otherwise, they take their separate exam for which we are discussing over here, or for which we are sitting over here. Correct. So if you want to apply uh, integrated PhD program, you should be BSc or BTech. So anything. BTechs are also eligible for integrated PhD or PhD program. So this page is showing you the eligibility criteria. Okay, now where we were. Okay, then what is the fellowship for PhD and integrated PhD programs? Both the programs will start from August 1st, 2024, and for PhD, this fellowship is 31,000 per month plus hostel accommodation or HRA as applicable, and it will be increased to 35,000 per month after registration. For integrated PhD students, they will receive a fellowship of 21,000 for the first year. At the end of the first year, upon satisfactory performance, the fellowship is enhanced to rupees 31,000 per month and further raised to rupees 35,000 after registration for PhD. So if a student takes the MSc exit option, then the fellowship for the third year is reduced to the first year amount. Yes, someone is asking something.
Sir, in their website, they have said that it is subject to be increased from this.
Yes, it is subject to increase, but so far they have shown this data only, correct? This amount only. Yes, it has been already, it has increased. I think this 31,000 has increased to 37,000 if I'm not wrong, correct? But
Yes, sir.
whatever they are showing right now, this is the same amount. Don't worry about it. This is not important at this moment. Important is you have to apply for the exam and you have to clear it. Fine. That is
Yes,
more
sir.
important. But before applying, you should know, okay, you will be given a scholarship or fellowship for pursuing your integrated PhD program or PhD program. So basically, you need not to take money from your parents. You will be self-reliant, correct? They will give you fellowship. That is more important. Now, what are the fee? For male candidates, fee is 1,000 rupees. For female, 500 rupees. And others also 500. So no SC, ST, OBC, they have given only this information. So if you are a male candidate, 1,000, female 500, correct? And what are the ways of making or paying the fee? Internet banking, debit card, credit card, UPI. So if you have anything, you can pay your fee. Now, how to apply? You have to go on this website or this link. So you will see this page will open, and over here you can see that you should have your passport size photograph. Selfie will not work. You should have passport size photograph. Selfie will not be able to, you will not be able to upload the selfie. So size should be only 80 KB. In size of the photograph should be 80 KB, and it should be in a JPG format. Similarly, you have to have a scanned copy of signature JPG file, and size should be below 40 KB. If your size, signature size is more than 80 KB or photograph size is more than 80 KB, you will not be able to upload that, correct? Some of you can some of you will definitely face this problem, because if you don't bother about the size, you will have that problem. Now, if you want to have a fee waiver, and if you are applying under the fee waiver category, you should have a recommendation letter from your principal or HOD of your college. And now, if you want to apply, you have to click over here. Look at it. And another important thing is, don't fill the form using mobile phone. Correct? Don't use mobile phone, use your laptop or desktop. So you can see that you will select your title from here, your name, applicant middle name, surname, gender, you have to select from here, date of birth only in this format. So it will take it in this format only, correct? Suppose this one, so 3rd January 2012. Nationality, you have to select this one. Birthplace, you have to fill 10th standard equivalent year of passing, 10th standard equivalent board. Mobile number, you should have mobile number, mail ID. And now subject, most of you will be interested in physics, so physics. Then program, whether you are applying for PhD or integrated PhD, so you have to select from there, and then you can forward, correct, or you can move ahead. Then okay, now have a look. Yes,
Sir, can we apply more than one paper, sir?
are you interested in applying more than one subject? So answer is yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now what is the
With
exam?
physics, they did not allow to apply for any other subject.
Sorry.
With physics, sir, I've already filled the form, but with physics, in the last section, it is they were asking if you wish to apply for any other subject. So I tried to do that, but it was not allowing to do.
No, no, it will allow you. The condition is that exam time should not overlap. If you have,
That's
if
with
if you
physics,
have,
it is not.
so that's what I am saying. If you are keeping your first subject physics, so I think second subject should be such that whose timings are not overlapping. Correct? You try with other subject, it will take. But how many of you are applying in more than one subject? Are you really interested in more than one subject, or you just trying to fill the form like that? Okay. So now examination pattern is like this. Have a look. So there will be two sections, section A and section B. Section A will have 25 questions, and each question will be for 3 marks, and it will have negative marking also. Section B will be we will be having 15 questions, and each question will be for 5 marks, and it will not have any negative marking. So 75 for section A, 75 for section B. So all our marking are 150. Now I have written over here section B for only for PhD candidates, section B only for integrated PhD candidates. This was the case up to 2022. Now in 2023, you will have only section in section B. Earlier they were giving you section A, and there were two section, means there were two section B. One was for PhD and other was for integrated PhD. So in 23, I think we have only one section, and in their website also this time they have not mentioned this one. So this is the pattern analysis. We have done it on our own. So you can see that in section A, we have categorized, or we have 4 columns, topics, and in this from this topic, how many questions were asked. So we have done this one for your easy reference, and I will share you this presentation to all of you. Then this is for TIFR 2022. You can see that in 23 we have only section B, only one section B. In 2022 there were two sections, means two B sections, one for integrated PhD, another one for PhD. Similarly in 2021, 2020, and so on. But in 2023, so you can see that in 2023 there is only one section B. In this year also they have said, okay, there will be only one section, that is section B and section A. That's it. Common paper will be common. Okay. Now what we will offer to all the students who are preparing with us. So we will give you 5-year TFR previous year solutions, and we will also give you minimum 3 full length tests, so that you can check how much you know about the subject and what is your performance for this test. And you can see that for graduate students, these are the 7 topics which based on which the question comes, and this is for postgraduate students. But now they are giving the same section B, so it means module 7 module is not existing, so module 9 will exist now onward. Okay, now let me show you a few more things. Okay, so if you see what is the syllabus, they have said this is the syllabus, correct? This is the syllabus. We have already given some modules in the form of modules. and we are already teaching you the syllabus for which they are asking the questions. Then, okay, we have discussed this one. TIFR academics, yes. TIFR 24, yes, we have already done. So that's it in this discussion or this presentation. And before you start asking questions, few students have to join their class at 9:30, so they can leave if they want. And if you want to ask some questions over here, I'm sitting over here. So some students may be having their
So do
class
we
at
need
9:30.
recommendation?
Yes, you will need recommendation letter also. So first you will clear your written test, and some institutes will call you directly based on your written test. Some institutes will take the another entrance test objective
So now
question.
we don't need, right?
No,
to
no,
take the
not
exam?
at this time. Not at this
Nothing.
time. That you will require when you will be called for interview. Yes.
So when is the result coming out of this?
So result will come in the due course of time. They will let you know, because at this moment I can't say anything, because you
Okay.
can see that they are saying, have a look. They are saying to be announced. So they have not given any date. Fine. Selection for interview. So no. But generally, the result will come maybe most probably in March or April, most probably. Correct? Yes. Any question if you want to ask over here, if you have some questions.
Now, what is the cutoff, like minimum cutoff?
No, they don't disclose cutoff also.
So like for previous year.
No, they don't disclose it. Correct. After clearing your exam also, sometimes they call for another round of written test. Correct. So those candidates those who have been shortlisted for interview, sometimes they take retest. Basically, they take, means they do what, they take another written test, and after that they go for interview. Some institutes call directly for interview.
सर
Yes.
सर इसमें ये कैंपस के लिए
हम्म.
ऑप्शंस मांगे हुए हैं कि
हाँ.
कौन सा मतलब
तो
तो इसमें
TIFR बॉम्बे भरी है अभी
TIFR
आप? यस,
मुंबई
ये सबसे पहले बच्चे उसी को भरते
ये वाला पहले वाला सर
हैं. यस, मुंबई.
CFIR
करेक्ट.
और उसके बाद
उसके बाद आप उनके जो अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाके रिसर्च देखिए, जिसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट है उसको प्रेफरेंस से भरिए.
ओके सर
करेक्ट. ऑल द campuses are very good, but still TIFR Bombay campus is in demand always. That remains in demand. Correct.
ओके सर
Sir, is birth certificate is compulsory?
Which one?
Birth certificate.
Are they asking birth certificate? I have not checked. Are they asking birth
Sir,
certificate?
they asking birthplace na?
Yes.
Yes.
They are not saying for uploading it. Are they saying to upload?
No, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, yes. So you can go to FAQ if you want to. Okay, there is no cutoff. Means cutoff in the sense no minimum percentage required, and no age bar is there. So you can go through it. Correct. FAQs will answer so many things. Correct. No, there is no condition of age limit or percentage cutoff for UG or PG academic. They are not asking you should have 55% in BSc or MSc. No cutoff. Yes, they are saying, you are asking, yes, provided the timings of the test of your desired subject do not clash. That's what I was saying. Fine. Any other
Sir?
question? Yes.
So what is the difference between the PhD and integrated PhD?
Integrated PhD is after BSc and PhD is after MSc.
Okay. And sir, what is the specific benefit of the TIFR?
What is the specific benefit of IIT, if I ask you? Why you want to take admission in IIT?
Sir, because of I want to
Because of?
Because of its reputation or
So I think you are not aware of TIFR then. Am I right?
no. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why you are asking this question. TIFR is one of the premium institute in India and it is known for its research. Correct? Fine?
Okay.
Yes.
Sir.
सर वो recommendation का क्या बोले थे आप?
Recommendation is required at the time of interview. LOR. When you will be selected and you will be called for interview, you have to take 2 letter of recommendation from your faculty or from your institute where you are studying or from where you have studied. Correct? They ask it. So that is a separate thing that we will discuss once you will clear this exam. Then we will discuss about that. And again, I am repeating, those students who have class at 9:30, they can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you.
And those
Yes,
who
sir.
don't have any class and they want to some questions, they can ask. So exit is also option is there. Yes. If you leave integrated PhD in between, you will be having MSc degree only. One student is asking this question. Yes. Vaibhav. Yes, any other thing?
Sir, when will the full length test be conducted?
Once your syllabus will be over, before the exam we will conduct.
Oh, okay.
Yes, syllabus is about to complete in the by this November 30th number most probably. Right. So before exam we will give you 3 full length test. Maybe 1 week before when your preparations are done, so that you can see where do you stand. Any other thing?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I'm currently enrolled in second year, sir. Now.
Second year, BSc second year or MSc second year?
Sir.
Huh?
BSc, sir. BSc, sir. BSc second year, sir.
Okay. So I don't think you are eligible.
Am I eligible, sir?
That's what I am saying. I don't think you are eligible.
Okay, sir.
Yes, because your result will come after 1 year. Fine. No, you are not eligible.
For
Correct?
integrated PhD also, sir?
Yes.
For integrated PhD also?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Because your result will come in 2000.
Okay.
When is your means when you will complete 25? No, not at all. Not at all. They will not for you for 1 year. They can wait maximum by 3 months. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So you can prepare, you can keep preparing, so you have enough time. So keep preparing and give our full length test. You will see how good your preparations are going on. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Same for JEST. So only IIT provide 2 years masters. Okay. Yes. Any other thing? Any other question? Any other question if you want to ask? Otherwise, from my side, I am done. So all of you start filling the application form and don't wait for the last date. Fill it well in advance. And if you have any doubt, suppose after filling up the form you have any doubt, so they have given a mail ID over which you can communicate. I think in FAQ, look at it, subject specific query. So you can see they must have given a mail ID. They have given one of the mail ID over where you can write to them. I have seen. Yes. Any other thing? BSc final year students can apply. Yes. BSc final year students are eligible, definitely. And you should apply. Gaurav Malik is also asking. Abhinandan B is also asking. Yes, BSc final year, MSc final year students are eligible. Okay, any other thing? Yes.
Sir, if the priority topic questions are included in IIT-JAM from nuclear physics.
What is your question?
Sir, the topic priority, there is a topic in nuclear physics known as priority.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, that topic's question were not covered in lecture, but the questions related to that topic were in the test, in the weekly test.
Don't worry about that. So that will be covered soon, correct? Because we have that means basically we have a system of selecting the test paper, and sometimes some topics, some question may come which may not have covered. Don't worry about that. Don't worry. They will be covered. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other thing? So, okay, if there is no further question, we can conclude this session over here. But again, I'm suggesting all of you should apply. All of you should apply, because last year around 4 to 5 students got selected in TIFR from our institute. This number, they are very, means they select very good institutes. This is very tough competition, but you should apply. Fine. This is the only one exam which takes exam twice. Once a nationwide test, and then they shortlist the student, and again they conduct second round of written test and then interview. Okay. Any other question? Otherwise, I am done with this session, and we can say good night to everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
And I will be sharing this PPT. And if you have any doubt while filling up the form, so my WhatsApp number is there. You can send me your queries on my WhatsApp number, and I will reply. Fine.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. Good night.